So, welcome back. We are down at Avonmouth tonight. 20 past 10 high tide. I think it's about 13.18 metre tide. Got a new head torch, so I can actually see now. But we're all set up, ready to go. Just about to cast out. Water's just coming in now. And I'm going to quickly just show you the rigs I'm using for tonight. So we've got an up and over here. Size 1/0 hooks. Top it there, just a circle hook. This is the rig I use on chisel targeting cod. I fished chisel, it was the start of February. We're now coming towards the end. It was on this exact rig actually that I caught it on. Awful fishing in the day, but it was literally the last cast as soon as it got dark, down the ferry bridge end. And then the other rig of choice tonight is we have a Portsmouth loop, as you can see there, lug worm again, with size 1 hooks for hopefully a flounder, and maybe the size 1/0. You still can get a flounder on that, and hopefully a cod if I saw a few about, but yeah, let's cast them out and let's see what happens. Both rods up now. And yeah, we'll just wait for the first bite, if we get one, but hopefully, fingers crossed we can get something for you. It'd be nice to get a fish for camera. The first time in quite a few months. I think the last time I actually posted a video was I was place fishing on Chesel. I have recorded a few videos literally just on my phone, but some sessions at Barrow, and I did a bit at Chesel, but I've just not got around to editing it, busy with work and you know, just life really. But we are back out, we're filming again, and hopefully we can be a bit more consistent than I have been in the past 12 months. But yeah, February, so usually not a great month for fishing, but we're down there now. Rich to my right, he picked up the bait for me. There's two other lads to my right who have joined us, and there's also two to my left as well. Hopefully, well, they're all here for the same reason, to catch a fish. Still no fish, just bought a rig in, and this is how it come back looking. Bottom hook's not been touched, but the top hook has been stripped. Now I was talking to Rich to my right for a bit, so I may well have missed a bite and missed a fish, but we'll get it baited up, straight back out. Hopefully if it was a fish it'll come back round. So I've just rebaited now. The up and over rig, like that. 1/0's circle work on the top. Not going to put it far. Hopefully it results in a fish. Right then, this one's not been out too long, and we have got target species. It's not biggest fish in the world, but there you go. Lighting is awful. If I try and aim it down, actually. There you go. There's a nice little flounder. They're a little feisty fish. They are actually, it's literally just the size of my hand though. But lovely little perfect fish. But there you go. Right, so after that flounder, I have decided to take off the slightly bigger 1/0 hooks and change over, so both of my rigs are now the same. Portsmouth loop rig, like that. These are the slightly smaller hooks, these are the size 2s instead of the size 1s. But yeah, all baited up. Let's get this out. Let's see if the traps work again. Right, so the tide is now, as you can see, well and truly going out. Some of the banks being exposed now. Walking back to my rods, just had a chat with Rich. He's not managed to get anything, I think he's packing up. There's only about 1.5 to 2 foot of water where my light is now in the centre. But yeah, it is quite often worth fishing it the whole way. To be honest, it's freezing, it's February, and I would love a nice Costa coffee to warm me back up again and put the heating on. So yeah, I think I'll love that time of being shown. We'll get these in. Don't know if there's anything on any of them, but there might be, you never know. But yeah, let's see if anything's happened. Well then, that sums up the end of tonight's session. Didn't expect much, but I thought I'd target the flounders, use small looks, as there's not as many fish around this time of year. February, not great for the sea fishing at that time of year. But no, we're back in the car. Everything's packed away. Can't really see it. The rods are there. I did actually snap one of my other rods at Chas, the one I caught that cod last week. Some blind with Dad's, which is what I actually caught the fish on. But yeah, that's the end of that. Can't believe I actually made a video, to be honest. Can't believe it's actually out. But yeah, I'm gonna go home now. Stop on my way back, get a coffee, grab a bite to eat, and yeah, have a safe trip home. So hope you're all doing well. Hopefully I'll post again soon, and get out there and catch some fish yourselves. But yeah, hope you're all staying safe, and I'll see you in the next one.